हरियाणा के छोरे ने उठाया गर्दा, मोदी के मंत्री लगे ताली बजाने।
But a lot of people don't know कि मैंने 2019 में फर्स्ट एडिशन में भी पार्टिसिपेट किया था। हर साल जब टॉप 10 richest people की लिस्ट आती है तो उसमें रतन टाटा जी का नाम नहीं आता, because 50 to 40% of his wealth was a philanthropist, दान कर देते थे। देश में बहुत सारे अमीरों को लोग हेट करते हैं।
So do you think Illuminati controls the world?
Famous film stars, artists doing this sign.
Right.
Now whether they are doing it consciously or subconsciously, who knows?
Now this feels really special as we present to you the very first episode of our podcast LPU Literary Tape. Now first are really special, so is our guest of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, I personally feel like there are very few public speakers out there who reach to this level of success. AIU National winner of National Youth Parliament Festival, a proud LPU student, and not to forget about his famous viral video straight from the central halls of Parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Yatin Bhaskar Dugar. So Yatin, how were you feeling?
Well, it is always a pleasure to meet you, ma'am, and be in this university. I'm feeling nostalgic, and I'm just so happy that after all these years I spent in this university, the first podcast, I'm able to be here, share my views. It's just lovely.
You know what, Yatin, when we had actually planned about this podcast, we always knew that you had to be our first guest, and I'm really grateful for that.
Well, same goes for me, ma'am. I'm proud as well.
So Yatin, talking about your journey, how was the feeling when you actually delivered the speech in the central halls of Parliament? Because I've seen your journey very closely. I know how it felt when you delivered the same speech or when you participated into the same event 5 years ago and finally to winning it. And also, you were the internet sensation. You were all over the internet. I still remember a headline which said, हरियाणा के छोरे ने उठाया गर्दा, मोदी के मंत्री लगे ताली बजाने. So I mean, you were on the internet. So how did it feel?
Well, firstly, मैम, बहुत सारे लोग जानते हैं कि मैंने 2024 में यूथ पार्लियामेंट जीता है, but a lot of people don't know कि मैंने 2019 में फर्स्ट एडिशन में भी पार्टिसिपेट किया था, and I won the consolation prize.
Oh really?
And I thought next year I should participate, और मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हार गया. The next year I participated again, मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हार गया. But I think it was this perseverance and this idea that one day I'll do it. And this year when I went, and when the results were being announced, I was sitting there nervous. But कहीं ना कहीं मुझे पता था मेरी 3-4 साल की मेहनत रंग लाएगी. And finally when they announced my name, firstly though I couldn't believe it. But when it finally happened, तो समझ आता है कुछ चीज़ें लाइफ में सही समय पर मिली तो it's worth it. Then I was all over the internet. I got so many DMs and it was, how can I say it? supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Very DMs पे हम बाद में आएंगे. But उससे पहले Yatin, how do you think LPU has helped you throughout this journey?
Well, that's a very interesting question क्योंकि मैं जो अपने टाइम्स पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करियर में था, आई थिंक दैट वाज अराउंड 2021.
Right.
Pre-COVID, post-COVID era. अब हुआ कि उसके बाद I got into the job. I couldn't participate. So मुझे 2 साल हो गए थे किसी भी इवेंट में जाए. And then I can come to this university and I meet you. And I tell you, ma'am, I want to do it again.
Yeah.
And there are all these students who are more talented than me, who are more experienced than me. But you are like, let's give this guy one opportunity.
Right.
Under your guidance. And then I'm so thankful that not only you, but this university, Saurabh sir, all of them put their trust on a newcomer. That gave me confidence. And I think that is the reason that I actually won this year. Because those 6 months that I spent in this university under your guidance, I think that is the reason that I won this year.
I think you're being over grateful for this. But yes, I don't think you were less experienced. I would rather say you had the most experience over that time. It's just that you were little disconnected through that period, right? Now coming to the DM part. Okay, Yatin, I know your DM is always filled. मैं दूसरे मैसेजेस की बात नहीं कर रही, मैं यहाँ पे बात कर रही हूँ. Your DM is always filled with all those aspiring public speakers who are always in the seek of advice, suggestion from your side. So आज मौका है. So 5 tips for the public speakers you would like to give.
Firstly, if you are a newcomer, you are in college or a student in school, I would tell you public speaking is one thing. आप चाहे कुछ भी बनना चाहते हो, like with doctor, engineer, it is impeccable going to help you in every other aspect of your life. So 5 tips from my side, I think. Number one,
Number one.
know your audience. Number two, try to write your own speech. I keep telling this speech to other people कि दूसरों की बातें लिखने के बजाय just speak whatever is there in your heart.
बिल्कुल.
Number three would be maintain a stable body posture and eye contact. That is very, very important while you speak. Number four would be just be aware. हिंदुस्तान के इस छोटी सी जगह पर बैठकर मैं आज देख सकता हूँ कि बोलिविया में क्या हो रहा है, यूक्रेन में क्या हो रहा है. That is the power that I have. Just be aware about everything. And finally, confidence, and practice. Know your audience, speak well, speak your heart, speak confidently, and just practice. And congratulations, you are the best version of yourself at a public speech.
क्या बात है. And I think we all got the answer there. मैं आज भी अपने students को I show them your videos and that's how we actually continue learn from you, right? Yatin, now coming to certain questions. The sudden demise of Sir Ratan Tata has left us all, in grief right now. So, बहुत ही महान शख्सियत रह चुके हैं वो. बहुत कुछ किया उन्होंने ज़िंदगी में. आई थिंक बहुत बड़ी ज़िंदगी जी है उन्होंने. तो क्या एज ए यूथ what can we learn from his life?
Firstly, I would say that it is a big loss for the country. And the man, the myth, Mr. Ratan Tata, इस देश में बहुत सारे अमीरों को लोग हेट करते हैं, but I think was the one of the few billionaires of this country that everybody, from film stars to actors to village boy, everybody loved.
Right.
And the reason he was loved is, you will not believe, man, हर साल जब टॉप 10 richest people की लिस्ट आती है तो उसमें रतन टाटा जी का नाम नहीं आता, because 50 to 40% of his wealth he was a philanthropist. दान कर देते थे हर साल 100 से 150 million dollars. He used to just activating philanthropic activities for slums, for kids, because he actually believed, and this was his statement, that whatever I have earned is from this nation, and when I die, I want every single penny to be spent on this nation and on its people. And I think where he's gone after such a long time, but I think his ideas, the values that he taught, that the great thing that he said, that world moves on when old people do things for young people, even though they know that they are going to die. When we selflessly do things for other people, I think that is the idea of Mr. Ratan Tata, because he didn't enjoy any of that. He didn't live a very fancy life, but because of him, today all of us are living in this digital age, this 5G India, this Vishwa Bharat that we dream of. So this is a big loss, but I think we can all learn from him the idea of selflessness.
Right. Yatin, there has been a lot of buzz lately, especially online, about the existence of secret societies like Illuminati. So do you think Illuminati controls the world?
Well, who knows? देखो, हम तो जनरेशन है ना मैम, कि जहाँ पर दिलजीत दोसांझ की टिकट या कोल्ड प्ले के कॉन्सर्ट के टिकट
बिगेस्ट आइडिया
चल रहा है, तो कहानी शुरू होती है कि यूरोप के फ्रांस और जर्मनी के अंदर 17-18 सेंचुरी में छोटी छोटी ऐसे सीक्रेट सोसाइटीज थी जो मिला करती थी.
Okay.
और तब से लोगों को ऐसे लगने लगा कि बहुत ऐसे कोई छोटा सा ग्रुप है पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो एक्चुअली पूरी दुनिया के माइंड को कंट्रोल कर रहा है. इफ यू हैव सीन अ मूवी, इट्स कॉल्ड मैट्रिक्स, राइट? You will see all these ideas. For example, there is this family called Rothschild family that is controlling the world. Illuminati सच है नहीं या नहीं, ये अगर हमें पता होता तो Illuminati होती नहीं. But I think let's the conspiracy be off. I think it might be true, because what you'll see is, so this is the sign of Illuminati, right? So we'll see a lot of famous leaders, famous politicians, famous film stars, artists doing this sign.
Right.
Now whether they are doing it consciously or subconsciously, who knows? Let the controversies keep going.
चलो ठीक है. Was Osama bin Laden really killed, or there is more to it? अब आप सोच रहे होगे पता नहीं मैम से ऐसे questions क्यों हुए, because I know you like your questions like this.
Well, that is an incredible question. See, 9/11 के बाद, पहली बात तो 9/11 की जो घटना पूरी हुई, that is also very mysterious. कि बहुत ही कार्टूनिस्ट सा लगता है कि इतने बड़े देश के वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर के आकर अचानक से प्लेन घुस जाते हैं एंड सडनली कोई प्रेसिडेंट साहब के कान में बताता है कि आपके देश में ऐसा हो गया. दैट इज द मोस्ट एडवांस स्टेट डिफेंस वाइज इन द कंट्री,
राइट?
एंड देन दैट हैपेंस इन दैट कंट्री एंड सडनली यू सी कि लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस सर्कुलेटिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द इंटरनेट. और कैसे हुआ, तो वहीं से कॉन्स्पिरेसी स्टार्ट हुई. कहानी क्या हुई, अब अमेरिका को चाहिए था तेल, और गल्फ कंट्रीज के अंदर ऑयल बहुत ज़्यादा था. अब ऐसे अटैक करने तो जा नहीं सकते कि भैया आपके यहाँ तेल है, हमें तेल लेना है. तो कहानी क्या बनाई गई कि गल्फ कंट्रीज़ के अंदर लोगों पे जुल्म हो रहा है, तो अमेरिका ने क्या कहा, मैंने आज़ादी दिलाने जाएंगे. वहाँ जाते हैं, अटैक करते हैं और ये पूरा मामला बन जाता है टेररिज्म का। अब बात आती है ओसामा बिन लादेन की। टेल यू इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग अबाउट ओसामा बिन लादेन। ओसामा बिन लादेन को पिक्चर करते हैं, दाढ़ी नहीं, टोपी, दाढ़ी, ऐसे पिक्चर, और इनकी आप 30 या 25 वर्ष की पिक्चर देख लो। He's listening to Bob Marley, he's listening to Beatles, he's wearing a jeans pant and a shirt. He was actually the son of one of the most westernized people in Saudi Arabia. But it all changed after 9/11. And I think around the area of 1995,
Yeah,
time period.
right.
So that time period. तो कहानी क्या होती है? हम सबको पता है अमेरिका ने ओसामा बिन लादेन को मारा, but the conspiracy theory is ओसामा बिन लादेन ने अपने 10 से 12 decoys दुनिया में बना रखे ताकि जब भी उसको मारा जाए उसके बहरूपी को मार दिया जाए, बट ही स्टिल अलाइव। बट हु नोज, तो इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि ओसामा बिन लादेन आज भी जिंदा है।
What a mystery.
बिन लादेन बहुत पहले मर चुका था।
क्या बात है, I mean, what a mystery. So, now on a lighter note, I know you have been known for your dark humor, and most of my students, especially the girls, they have cried for it many times to remind you. Now, what would you like to say about it? Ladies and gentlemen, this guy here, he makes the most amazing jokes that will leave you laughing, but you'll also wonder if you had to laugh or not. So what is this? Yatin, please tell us about it. I mean, ये क्या माजरा है?
See, I think I just got. I am from Haryana, and yeah, very dry people, very dry sort.
I know dry people.
I'll tell you one thing. So we went to a node zone this time,
Yeah.
right? So there was this Kashmiri girl sitting in the quiz. I went to her and I said कि यार तुम कश्मीर से हो, पत्थर वत्थर पैक करके नहीं लाए? तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं लाई हूँ। आपको कैसा लग रहा है पहली बार किसी लड़की को देख के? आप हरियाणा से है ना? You see that डार्क ह्यूमर की इसकी खूबसूरती है। मुझे क्या लगता है, जब तक आप किसी इंसान का मजाक नहीं उड़ा सकते ना, दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद देम। मजाक उड़ाना इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स फ्रेंडशिप। तो मैं बस लोगों को जानता हूँ, अगर वो मेरा इतना पार्ट झेल सकते हैं तो बाद वाले भी झेल सकते हैं। डार्क ह्यूमर इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड एंडिंग ऑन अ नोट, I really believe if you can make fun of yourself, if you can make fun of other people, that means you are actually a confident person.
बट उन सब का हिसाब तुमसे बाद में लूंगी जिन जिन बच्चों को तुमने रुलाया है।
कर्म सबको फल मिलता ही है।
चलो, now we are moving to a very fun segment of our podcast, which is, everybody knows, rapid fire round. Now I'll ask you certain questions, series of questions. You have to be very rapid and very fiery about it, okay? Now, favorite 3 hangout spots in LPU?
In LBU, I think the favorite 3 hangout spots would be one is the DSW, obviously.
Yeah, the most happening. Yeah.
The second would be, I think, the area around that robot thing.
Robot Park, because
It's a very very fascinating place.
Yeah. Yeah.
And one of the places I think is the book reading club that has been recently started.
Right, it's in the 14 garden, yes.
Very surreal. I think we all should be there.
Very, very nice. So would you rather be 10 minutes late or 20 minutes early?
Well, I like to be on time. I think that is the better version of it. I don't like to be before time or after time. But if I had to be, I think I'll be before time so that the people in the audience feel guilty that they were not on time.
Okay. हरियाणवी फूड और पंजाबी फूड,
All the way.
ये मैंने इसलिए पूछा था बिकॉज वो पढ़ते हैं एलपीयू में हो और वो हरियाणा से। अभी तक वो पंजाबी फूड एक्सप्लोर नहीं करा यहाँ पे आके।
Well, how mixed it? I think churma is such a beautiful thing. You can mix anything. You will not believe. हम जब AU नेशनल्स में गए थे तो हमने चूरमे के साथ दाल, चाउमीन, मंचूरियन, चाइनीज सब कुछ मिक्स करके खाया। It's good. Why can't we mix all the foods together? But yeah, Haryanvi food.
Not चलो ठीक है, we'll also try. Conventional debates or youth parliament?
Well, I have participated in both of them. Personally, for me, little bit more fun is conventional debate because you are able to explore yourself a bit more. But yeah, if you want to learn also, I think youth parliament will teach you a lot more than conventional debates.
Okay. Now, if you have to pick one favorite person from LPU, who would that be?
I think if I have to pick one favorite person,
It could be your.
हम तो नहीं होंगे.
It could be वही मैं कहने supplementary question यही था कि it could be your friend.
Very interesting
okay,
story.
yes.
Obviously, आपको तो बहुत ऊपर ना.
हाँ, oh my god.
मैं जब
Being
पहली बार
diploma-
university में
हाँ.
आया और उस टाइम मेरा दिन बहुत खराब था और and I think I met this person, this girl, And she just said to me, उसने अपने आप आके मुझसे पूछा कि what has happened to you? I was sitting in that area gate के पास आराम से, and she said, और 5 मिनट उसने मुझसे खुद से आके बात करी ऐसी. And after एक दिन के बाद मुझे वो 1.5 साल में लड़की मिली नहीं. But I think those 5 minutes actually made me fall in love with this university. I think she is my favorite person, the mysterious girl that I found again.
क्या बात है. आई होप दैट मिस्टीरियस गर्ल इज वॉचिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट. अब तुम्हारे जो दोस्त हैं वो नाराज हो जाएंगे, तुमने उनका नाम नहीं लिया. दोस्तों को पता है. चलो ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज पोइट्री और स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी.
Poetry with stand-up comedy, why not? Poetry is stand-up comedy in a sense, or stand-up comedy is poetry in a sense. Both of them are connected.
चलो पोइट्री की बात हो ही रही है तो मैं लोगों को बता दूं, यतिन को पोइट्री बहुत पसंद है. ही राइट्स ब्यूटिफुली. सो यतिन, कोई कविता, कोई पोइट्री तुम्हारी साइड से?
Poetry की खूबसूरत बात ये है ना कि you can say so much in like such small sentence. For example, if I look at you, I think that you have very beautiful eyes. अंग्रेजी में हम ऐसा क्या, बट मैं इसको उर्दू में बोलूँ तो कि तेरी सूरत से है आलम में बहारों को सवाद, तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या. यू सी द वे इट हैंडल्स एंड नॉट जस्ट रोमांटिकली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप सरकार का विरोध करते हैं, आप एक नारे लगा रहे हैं, बट लुक इन द पावर ऑफ पोइट्री कि सरकार कुछ इस कदर जनता पर एहसान कर देती है कि पहले आंखें छीन लेती है, फिर चश्मे दान करती है.
क्या बात.
पोइट्री इज सो ब्यूटिफुल बिकॉज यू आर एबल टू एक्सप्रेस सो मच इन सो लिटिल.
So I think we reached to the end of our very quick and very fun podcast. And thank you, Yatin, for being with us. You're being very honest and very generous with all your answers. Thank you so much. And everybody, please show abundant love to our podcast, LPU Literary Tape. And if you need and if you want to post any suggestion, please tell us in the comment box. Thank you so much.